5th of November, and wow, we are now in a super full moon energy and frequency. And this energy and frequency that we are in for this full moon is the most powerful, potent energy that is life-changing that we have seen in the whole of 2025. This is now a recalibration. This is a recalibration not just for your energetic field, but for your whole being, for your whole world. And this is rippling through for both the feminine and the masculine frequency. The masculine that has held that mask up, the masculine that has tried to run now, where they have been running and seeing what is behind them and trying to escape that, now it has just moved in front of them. But what is being shown in front of them can now no longer be avoided. Now they have to face the truth. Now they have to connect deep in with that heart chakra and all those bubbling emotions that are now rising. For the feminine, this is now your invitation and the seeds of potential. In shamanic practice, we always talk about you're given the seeds of potential. And this is your seeds of potential. But let me tell you, these seeds of potential are potent. So use the energy wisely. I always talk about there's a higher timeline and the lower timeline. What are you choosing right now? Are you choosing to look outside of yourself, to search for the answers in everything but yourself? Are you still seeking validation? Are you still abandoning self? Are you still betraying yourself? Or are you going, no, today I work on my deep soul connection. I bring in that frequency of my divine cosmic codes as that divine feminine. I reclaim my power. I reclaim my light. I will not see that this journey is happening to me, but instead it is happening for me. And I will see it that this journey now, I am peeling back the layers. And the only thing that is there for me to align with is my true core, my original soul's blueprint. Let me tell you, if you are going through that powerful awakening journey now, and let me also tell you, you will be getting those big ascension symptoms. You may even feel it, in the shoulder blades, in the head region here, because the third eye is expanding, is opening. What is the third eye? It is the eye that sees beyond the physical world. It is the eye that is the all-seeing, the all-knowing. And you will feel that shift that is happening in divine masculine. But let me warn you, do not go into saving mode. You are not here to save anyone. The divine masculine does not need to be saved. They need to save themselves. You, divine feminine, you saved yourself. You took back your power. But right now, with this big, full super moon, it will activate you. Those oscillations will vibrate up you. You will feel it. It will trigger in your nervous system. You will be feeling that lostness, that feeling of alone, that feeling of abandonment. It will all be rising up. But instead of sitting in that energy, it's about, what am I going to do? How am I going to still myself? How am I going to step into grace? Go and listen to the Bhagavad Gita. Go and do a salt bath. Go and connect in with nature. Go and speak to the animals. Connect in and feel that energy and frequency and use that vibration, that expansion of nature to help alter your frequency and energy. Because this moon, remember how powerful the moon is. The moon affects the tides. The moon affects everything in the universe. So why would it not affect you? But in these times, it is about grounding in. Go and get that beautiful Epsom salt bath. Go and start to surround yourself by some really beautiful crystals. I'd recommend probably some, if I've got it in here, have I got it to hand? Certainly some hematite, some black obsidian. Really choose those grounding crystals. Get yourself some tiger's eye. These are going to help. They're not going to fix it, but they're going to support it. And really start to bring your energy back into your own frequency. How am I choosing me? How am I choosing me every single day? What is sacred to you? This journey is a powerful journey. It's a deeply transformative journey. You don't stay the same on this journey, and it will deregulate you, especially when we go through these powerful energetic frequencies. But what do you need to do? Ground in. Get yourself a grounding mat. Sleep on a grounding mat. Get yourself in a really strong anchored frequency, because in that energy you're able to come into inner union, and in that energy divine masculine feels it in the lack frequency, the lack of divine feminine that is no longer pushing out, that actually has brought all the energy and frequency back to themselves. And so in that energy, divine masculine has to stop running. And what do they do when they stop running? They have to look within. So divine feminine, this is now your opportunity. This is now gifting you the seeds of potential. Reclaim your power, reclaim your light, align with soul, step into your soul purpose. And with those frequencies, you move into that inner union frequency. If you need more help and support, really starting to understand the A to Z of this journey, how to work with that inner union frequency. In November, we are doing a full 30 days of every single day supporting you on how to work with that beautiful inner union frequency, because on this journey, inner union must always come in before any outer union. I hope this helps. I send you so much moon blessings. I send you so much loving energy. Reclaim your power, divine feminine. Reclaim your light. I send you much love. Many blessings.